Domino's Pizza. This call may be monitored or recorded. Right with you to take your order.
Alright, I'll just be with you in a second, okay?
Okay.
Want to earn free pizza?
2 hours later.
Go to dominos.ca.
Hi, sorry about the wait. How can I help you?
Can I place an order for pickup, please?
Okay, and can I get your name?
My name is Big Dave.
Dave?
Yeah, Big Dave. Yep.
Okay.
I'd like to
What can I
get
get for you today?
I'd like to try the new Tandoori pizza, please.
Sure, and what size is it today?
Oh, I don't know. What do you think I should get? A large or a medium? What would you suggest?
I would suggest a large.
Okay, I'll get a large then. Way to upsell.
Okay.
Good job. I'm impressed.
Today, as you hear, the big man is at 155 Clark Road in London, Ontario. To go to Domino's Pizza, as you already know. To get a, well, you know that too. What the hell am I doing here? Really? Fat boys going in. Goodbye, Arjun. Out.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. I had an order for Big Dave. Pickup.
What's the name?
Big Dave. You got a Tandoori pizza? Awesome. Thank you. You guys have a great day. Thank you very much.
Goodbye, jackass. That was me, Arjun, not the restaurant staff.
All right, welcome back. By the slice, Big Dave. Domino's new Tandoori pizza. They also have a new buttered chicken pizza. Kind of break into the international market, I guess. Let's have a look at this thing. This thing was $19.40 plus tax. This is a large. Got it on the guy's recommendation. He said, you need a large. I said, okay. Let's look. Okay. Watch the box there. Should we take a couple pictures of this? All right, let's check it out. It's very, very sloppy. I'm not sure what's in here, but it's very floppy and sloppy. Let's take a bite of this thing while we can. It's got something in there, something like a creamy cheese of some sort, as well as the mozzarella. Tandoori chicken, onions. You can really taste the spices, the curry spices. It's not bad. It's flavorful, but maybe not quite as flavorful as it needs to be. I think it's decent. I just don't think it's as flavorful as I would expect from this sort of pizza. So let's give this thing a score. 5.8. Acceptable. Wouldn't run out and get it. Tell us what you think. Hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, share, look for us next time. By the slice, Big Dave, Domino's Tandoori Pizza. See you soon. Peace!